to rhyme start.
A is for alligator splashing in the stream. B is for bear with honey in his dream. C is for cat chasing butterflies around. D is for dog wagging tails that bound. E is for elephant stomping with delight. F is for fox sneaking through the night. G is for giraffe stretching tall to see. H is for horse running wild and free. I is for iguana basking in the sun. J is for jaguar fast when on the run. K is for kangaroo hopping far and wide. L is for lion with a golden pride. M is for monkey swinging tree to tree. N is for newt crawling carefully. O is for owl hooting in the dark. P is for penguin waddling through the park. Q is for quail darting here and there. R is for rabbit jumping without care. S is for snake slithering in the grass. T is for tiger watching as you pass. U is for unicorn magical and bright. V is for vulture soaring in the heights. W is for whale singing deep and low.